Now, in case you want to trade via other measures, okay, in case you want to trade via other measures, you can also go into rolling ticker, okay. In the rolling ticker, there are many types of tools that are available. So, for example, you have read about Cameria. So, for example, if any stock is showing a movement here and you want to take a trade from this particular setup, so just imagine this particular one. So, what you could do is you can just click on this particular name. You will then go here. Yes, there is score audio 3 there. Now, what I'll do here is I will click on the chart setup. All right. Once I click on the chart setup, my chart opens up in none, and out here, okay, out here I can just go and I can just do a right mouse click and go on my option chain. Once I go on my option chain, I know that yes, I can buy a ATM call or ATM put depending on what kind of strategy has come here. So from here I get my setup as per Cameria. Then as per Cameria I go here, I open up the chart, open up the option chain, and from here if I want to open up the option chart also is possible. So this is another way using the Cameria approaches which you have studied. You can directly use a Cameria approach, you can use a ready-made approach. So there are multiple approaches which are there. Now this we did with Cameria. Now you can do the same thing with CPR as well. So how will you do that? Again I'll go here, again I'll go into my rolling ticker. Now I will remove the checkbox from Cameria, I'll go into CPR, and here I'll see where is a level 1 breakdown. Okay, there is a level 1 breakdown here or a bearish mode. Again I'll click on the name. Right, once I click on the name, right, if I want some further confirmation, I'll see here, yes, that the trend is on the bearish side. Oh, very good. I go here, I click on the chart. So everything is happening at the click of a button in just few seconds. So I go here, I do a right mouse click, I see the option chain, and then I get the at the money call or put. So if it is in a bullish mode, you know that you got to go for a call. If it is in a bearish mode, you know you have to go for a put. So that is very well decided with the help of NeoTrader. You come here, you know what is the at the money strike. You go here and then you can take your own trade. So that's how you can practice and reform yourself and get started by trading. You already have an idea about how to take a trade. Now, what is happening is you are getting a structured way to look at the markets. You're getting a structured way to look at the setup. And when you have a structured way, you got a structured setup. And when constant notifications are given to you about a bullish play or a bearish play, your job for trading becomes much, much easier. Now, the next question is how to ensure that you are getting into the right kind of a trade. So what I would advise all of you is, I would advise all of you to wait at least for till around 9:15 to 9:30 to 9:45. At least you wait for the first, take a first check at 9:30, then take a check at 9:45, so that by that time, the morning time is when the BTST players are coming into play. After that, the dust gets settled and then the entire day begins. So that's when you start getting some scores out here, and that's when you can start getting a much better picture. So I would advise wait at least for 15 minutes to get a perspective of the market and then get started in your trading journey. Now with that you will be able to get clarity, and you will be able to know, yes, this is what is happening, and you can take the help of rolling ticker and find out your own trades using the charts and the option charts. Or you could go into your intraday setup, where by 9:45 you will start getting some trades, ready-made trades there, and you can go and trade into the options segment.